Hello everyone, welcome to MyCAD. In this channel, I will upload tutorials of AutoCAD through which you can learn AutoCAD very easily. So this is my first video in this channel. In this video, we will learn how to create Autodesk student account and install AutoCAD in your desktop or PC. To create Autodesk student account, first you open your Chrome browser, then search Autodesk student server. After that, go to the first link. Then the page of Autodesk will open. There you can see which softwares are available for student account. Here it is showing Inventor, Fusion 360, AutoCAD, Maya, 3ds Max, Revit, etc. So to create account, click on sign in. Click on sign in again. Then this page will open. So if you have any Autodesk account, you can log in. So this email doesn't have any account in Autodesk, so I will create an account. So to create account, click on create account. After that, this page will open and you please fill up this form according to you. Then check this box and click on create account. After that, click on done, and here you can see your account is created. So click on done. Then you have to go to your email inbox. There you can find email from Autodesk. Open that. And thereafter click on verify email. Then it's showing account verified. So now click on done. So now to download AutoCAD, click on AutoCAD. Then after 1 or 2 seconds, you can find this complete profile button. Click on complete profile. So with this email using which you have created your account, then click on next. Give your password and don't forget to check this button. Then click on sign in. Now you have to fill up your educational profile. Give your country, educational role, institute type, date of birth, etc., which are required here. Now click on next. Give your institute name. Then area of study, for which you are using this software. Then give your admission and expected graduation date. After that, click on next. So now it is showing that your student account is ready. Now click on continue. So now you can download your AutoCAD. So according to your requirement, give the AutoCAD version, your operating system, and in which language you want to download it. So after 1 or 2 seconds, you will be given the serial number and product key of your AutoCAD. You can copy and paste in your notepad or any Word file, and email also will be sent to your email. There you also can find it. So nowadays the free is for 1 year. You can see here. So after it you can read these parts. Now you can scroll down and there you will find install now button. Beside it there will be an arrow key. You can press on that. Now 4 options are visible to you: install now, download now, browser download. I will suggest you to click on browser download because you can install whenever you want, like you are in offline or online mode. Now click on browser download, and now you can see that the AutoCAD file is downloading. Then after downloading, you can go to the location where the file is downloaded. So now here you can see that my downloaded AutoCAD file is here. So after double clicking on this icon, then it will ask you to extract the file. Now you can select the location wherever you want to extract and then click on extract. Then it will ask for permission, then give the permission by clicking yes. Now you can see the AutoCAD is automatically open. Now you can click on install. So if you found that your AutoCAD is not opening directly, so you can go to that folder where you have extracted the AutoCAD, and now here you can see that AutoCAD 2020 file is there, and you find the setup file. Double click on setup, then give the permission by clicking yes. Then it will open the AutoCAD. Then click on install. Then you have to accept their license and terms, then click on accept and click next. After that choose the location where you want to install AutoCAD, then click on install now. Then it will take some time to install. Now you can see it's installed successfully. There you can find some green tick marks which will indicate that what components of Autodesk is installed in your system. You can also see that one desktop shortcut is also created in your desktop. So to open AutoCAD, double click on that icon, or directly you can use launch now button. So now you can see AutoCAD is opening. Now the AutoCAD is opened. So So now you have to put your license number. So you have to put your license. Now if you don't have any license, so you can click on start trial, and after 30 days it will stop working. As you have one serial number, so click on enter serial number, then enter product information. After you can see that here you can find box for serial number. You have to put the serial number which you get while downloading your software. Now after clicking next, you can find that the activation is completed. Now you can click on finish. In this process, while you are activating your AutoCAD, you must have internet connection in your laptop, otherwise it will not be possible to activate your AutoCAD system. Now you can see that my AutoCAD is ready for use.